Hello, our dearest new students. We're so happy and excited to have you be part of the Seven and Play online piano program. And yes, we will start first with your first song. And once again, we are welcoming you. You're all welcome here at Seven and Play. Now, for your first song, the title is Mary Had a Little Lamb. So, for Mary Had a Little Lamb, allow me to share my screen and show you how we do things here. So for Mary Had a Little Lamb, I have sent you a link wherein you will be able to open this PDF file. This one on my lower left, you will see there the song sheet link. Now, if you click on this song sheet link, it will redirect you to this page. Try to make this bigger. Yes, you will be redirected to this page, and as you can see, there's letter assignments on your fingers on the right hand. Okay, so for this song, as you have watched the theory of the piano, white piano keys, so we'll just apply our right hand first. The focus for the primer level will be right hand. So you'll have C on your thumb, D on your pointing finger, E on the middle finger, F on the ring, and G on pinky. Now, if we will try to apply this one on your playing, so try to check out my piano guide here. Yes, on the green one, you can check this out. So again, we will use your right hand. Yes, we will use right hand for the initial activity on this song. And we will have your C on your thumb, D on your pointing, E on the middle, F on the ring, and G on pinky. Now remember, if we look at the diagram, or if you have watched the demo video, the theory video, you've got here the twins, the 2 black keys, and the 3 black keys. We also call this like twins and triplets. So there's 2 black keys. You can touch the 2 black keys. And on its left, that's letter C. Remember, on its left of 2 black keys, that's letter C. Now you will use your thumb to play C. And next, D. Next finger, the middle one, is E. And the ring finger on F. And the pinky on G. Now, let's try to play Mary Had a Little Lamb. Each syllable has a corresponding letter. So you will use your middle finger for E. Okay, and then pointing finger on D and C. I'm following this first line here. Mary had a little lamb. So for me, we go E, re is D, had is C, A is D, little lamb, 3 is little lamb. Okay, again, you're using your finger assignments, thumb on C, and pointing on D, middle finger on E. Then you'll just need to continue the entire song. Little lamb, D, D, D. Little lamb, E, G, G. Continue with the third line. And let's go. Mary had a little lamb. Mary had a little lamb whose fleece, we're going D. Fleece as white as snow. Okay, so that's what you'll be doing on your right hand for Mary Had a Little Lamb. Now for us to practice this one, you'll be clicking the pink link of your PDF, the Mary Had a Little Lamb, and you will click. And when you click, you will get to the YouTube. Yes, YouTube video. And then one of the ways we could control again is to go to our settings of YouTube. Now, if you're using your mobile phones, it's like three dots written on top of the upper right here. But now I'm on the laptop. We will just have the settings button. And on the settings button, you go playback speed. We will start with 0.5 as our initial speed so that the speed will not be too fast and no pressure on the way we play along with the song. So let's try 0.5, and if you would listen to it, it goes slower. Okay, the music becomes lower. Now what we will do is that let's refer to your copy while we play along with Mary Had a Little Lamb. Okay, let's try playing Mary Had a Little Lamb with the music. Okay, let's start with the first line. Mary had a little lamb. Middle finger. Mary had a little lamb. Let's pause for a while, and as the music Mary Had a Little Lamb repeats, but with the different lyrics, you just keep on playing the same letters. Start again from the beginning, and then second, third, and fourth. Just keep on repeating, even if the lyrics are different now, we will still play the same line. Let's try. And same letters, but different lyrics. Okay, third line. Okay, so that will be your first step. That will be your first step. You will play along with the music, a very slow one, 0.5. And Mary Had a Little Lamb is repeated like 8 times for the entire song. You see, I'm still on this part of the song. You will finish the entire song. That's your first project, and it's repeated 8 times. So your first practice is to repeat. Repeat it 8 times with your right hand. And after you do that one, the next step is to use your left hand. Okay, so this time we will apply left hand. And again, your initial practice, just master first the right hand with CoComelon. Master CoComelon with the right hand. Now let's try your left hand. For your left hand, this is what you're going to do. It's not here on the copy anymore, but here's the thing. Here's how you're going to play left hand. Left hand, you will use pinky and thumb. Pinky and thumb always. Pinky and thumb. So your pinky will play a lower C. Your right hand will be playing on this side, but your left hand will be playing the lower C. Still, it's in near the twin, and you press C, and the thumb will play G. Okay? So you will have these two fingers, C and G. And then this will be for your right hand. Now here's how you play pattern 1. We will have 2 patterns for the song, and after that we'll be good to go. Okay, so 2 patterns for the song. This is how it goes. Left hand will be playing C and G. C and G for the left hand. And now what we're going to do is we will play left hand first before you play each line of the song. Example, this first line. What you're going to do is you play your left hand first and play right hand after. Then these 2 fingers on the left hand will not go away. It will just stay on C and G until you play another line. So here's how we do this one. Left hand and right hand play Mary Had a Little Lamb. Mary had a little lamb, and the line ends. The second line goes after. So we do another left hand. Little lamb, little lamb. Okay. And then we go for another line. We do the left hand first. Mary had a little lamb whose. Now we're going for the fleece. Okay, we're going for the fleece as white as snow. Left hand, fleece as white as snow. Okay, so that's how we connect your left hand and right hand with the pattern one. And yes, I'm just like giving you a better sound of the video. And we'll try to make the keyboard go louder a bit so that we could go for better sound quality. Okay, so here. Okay. That's the sound of the piano you hear. And we will have left hand. Left hand first before playing right hand. So now we'll do left hand and right hand. Mary had a little lamb. Left hand again before you play the second line. Little lamb, little lamb. Left hand again. Third line. Mary had a little lamb whose. Let's go for the last line. Left hand again. Fleece was white as snow. Yes, that's how we play. That's how we play your song for Mary Had a Little Lamb using pattern 1. Now the last, we will have pattern 2. Okay, so for pattern 2, very easy. You will just integrate both hands the same. We will do both hands, but this time we're still on C and G on the left hand. E and G together on the left hand. But this time, whenever you play a letter on the right hand, the left hand will play along with it. We call that pattern 2. As soon as you master pattern 1 and pattern 2 for this song, it will just be applied to the other songs of primary level. So you'll not have hard time on doing such songs anymore if we master this one, okay? So let's try. We've got C and G here on the left hand, but this time, every time your right hand plays a letter, your left hand will play along. So here's how it goes. Mary had little lamb. Yes, little lamb. And little lamb. Yes, let's continue with the third and fourth line. Left hand will just play along always. Mary had little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. Yes, so that's how we are going to play your Mary Had a Little Lamb. We will do 2 pattern 1s on the first 2 songs, and then 2 pattern 2s on the next set, back to 2 pattern 1s on the third set, and then last is the pattern 2 on the last set. So let's try to play along with 0.5. Or we would try, okay, and then we would try to increase our speed. The initial speed would be 0.5, but your goal is normal speed. But this time, let's just try 0.75. Then I'll play along with the song by applying our patterns. Okay, this is how we do it. To after this. Okay, let's try to do pattern 2. Let's play along with the left hand. Yeah, if the speed goes too fast, you can practice getting back to your slower speed. Let's try this one. Let's play along for pattern 2. And pattern 1 twice. It goes in this part. And then after, there's rest, pattern 2 again, and towards the end, as the song ends, just go smile and take a video of your performance, then upload it on our FB group. So enjoy your first song for the primer level. Again, we're so happy and we're welcoming everybody. We're joining our program 7 Play. Enjoy first song, Mary Had a Little Lamb. Practice and post it for updates. Thanks and God bless us all.